Look at this. Fresh ricotta.
Yeah.
How long? It took about, how long did it take to cook, Dad?
Do it 10 minutes. 10 minutes all done.
Hey, it's Sal Governale from Big Meals.
A small place.
That's right. And what are we making today, Dad?
Ricotta.
Fresh ricotta cheese.
Yeah.
So be sure to press the button below and subscribe if you love fresh.
Ricotta.
That's right. And if you don't subscribe, what are you going to do, Dad? One of these.
Okay.
You don't want one of these? All right. Check it out. All right, so Dad, what you do so far?
Put a gallon of milk and a quarter half and half
A gallon of milk and a quarter half and half in a pot.
in a pot like this. See? Both there.
Okay. High heat.
Well, until it boil, you know, you gotta boil it.
This is how we make fresh ricotta.
Yeah.
Now what?
Now we got a lemon. We've got a lemon. Seal the pits.
Yep. One lemon and about 2 fingers worth of white vinegar.
Yeah. You know what they call ricotta? They call it ricotta because they had to do over again. Yeah, cooked rice. Ricotta.
Means recooked.
Recooked. Now we let it boil. When it starts to boil, then we'll put everything in and you get the ricotta.
How long do you stir it? It's on high heat. How every 5 minutes?
Every couple of minutes you stir it, you know, the was sticks, you know.
Yeah.
Because the milk is cold. If you don't put a high heat, it will never boil. Once in a while you like this, that's it.
I like that belt, Dad. What's that style? It's off to the side?
Yeah, they gotta, it's gonna break, I gotta get a new belt.
Now it's simmering, right?
Yeah, it's boiling.
What are you doing now?
You put the lemon in there, you stir it like this, once, and that's it.
Then go back to the heat?
Yeah, just let it come up. Once it comes up, we shut it off.
Shut off the heat.
Yeah. Yeah, it's still boiling.
A hard boil, you got to take it off the heat right
Yeah,
away.
sure. That's all ricotta.
You can see the ricotta on the
Yeah.
on the spoon.
Yeah.
Wait, now what are you doing, Dad?
See, look, and get the ricotta. The ricotta, this is all ricotta.
Then once we take it out, what do we do?
We'll put it over here. See this here baskets?
Yeah.
Got the hole in it. Let it stand there. What there. They get all the juice out. Then it gets hard like cheese. You leave it out for 2 days. You know. And then you, after that, there's no more water coming out. You put it in the refrigerator. Now you can put it in the dish and eat hot ricotta.
You could put that right on pasta right now, right? That was.
Put pasta, you could make it. We used to put the bread in like this and eat it. Break the bread. That's how I was at breakfast today. Now we're gonna taste it.
Here it is. Dad's fresh ricotta. I'm trying it for the first time. Look at this. This is amazing. Look at that. Fresh ricotta cheese. Fresh ricotta. Mmm.
Look at that.
Ma, come on in. Tell me what you think.
Whoa, look at that. Mmm,
Fresh
so
ricotta.
good.
Delicious?
Delicious. Too hot. Too hot.
Go like this, Mike. You're too low.
I gotta grow 2 more inches.
Fresh ricotta. Big meals, small places, right, Ma?
Big meal, small places.
There we go. Bye, everybody.